Fairly heating the tyres up there. Right, just a wee test run. We'll do just a wee test run here. Still a bit wet in the middle of it, like, but we'll see. Need to make sure brakes, everything are alright. Hopefully she stops. Hopefully she's alright, and hopefully I don't hit the tyres. Because the gap is narrower than what I thought it was going to be. So we'll put these things on the side out here. Hopefully they stay on too. So we've got a bit of an audience. The guys who own it are here, so we could have more speedrunners in Ireland if they like the look of this thing. Right, let's hope we can do this. So, alright, let's get this started. So you can see it's on it there, right? So go track, start. Let's go. Let's make sure everything's set up. Can't see it. This wouldn't need to go bad, like. I don't know, I don't want to go full speed just yet, like, but it's just hard to see. I don't want to come through here yet because she's still wet. So, yeah. So better than expected. Yeah. Forgive me, that's I was just waiting for it to hit the tyres here, like, I swear to God. Holy sounds nice, doesn't it? So what speed are we going to be doing? I'm reckon 120, like. So we'll go, stop, raid, 134. And that was a piece of piss for it, like. Now, that's just coming through. Now that's what I mean, I didn't even get a good start at the top, I just wanted to make sure she was straight before I went. 134. Happy with that.
That's mad, man.
Now I'm sitting, I am up on all the nerves because she was going. I thought, do I keep going, just f***ing hold it in there, like.
See when we were coming through, that was some help, like, that's crazy, like.
Oh, she's not too bad, she's dump enough. I have to.
Is that titanium on the bottom of it?
Yeah, there, that was the sparks and stuff.
Right.
But
Maybe slammed a wee bit.
you have to keep her down low. I was expecting it to go airborne, like.
That was one of the.
Do you enjoy it?
Fastest RC car I've ever seen, like.
As you say, it sounds the part, doesn't it? Darren, you do me another favour, would you? Would you record?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see that's on that. So we'll go start and pray. His drone needs to go up.
What's the drone?
She goes to go here, just make sure you stand behind a tyre that doesn't come through at you.
It's not over here.
Oh, I'm myself like. Hope this isn't in vain. Oh, he's going up yet. See, I can't fucking see it. Excuse my French. Tell me when you're ready. See, that's really, really hard to see.
It is, isn't it?
If she goes airborne, duck. Is that you? Dead on, here we go. Right. I don't know, I wasn't getting into it that quickly because she was all over the show, so I'll maybe have time to do another one with that, but I'll let her cool down. I didn't even see that. I wasn't. She was actually more stable than I thought. I was able to steer her around left and right, so it was grand. No. But it's about getting her set up straight at the top. What do you think? 130, 140? Right. So stop, right, 137 again. What did we do? 137 the last time, wasn't it?
Something around there, wasn't it?
134 maybe? Right, I'll let her cool down and then I'm going to go one more, but we'll make sure, I'll walk up and make sure she's sitting properly before I go. Right, so you can see she's on her. Now this is in gear. Start. Now this will not be anywhere near as fast. I have to see what my range is like. She's way out of range there. Right. That one wasn't very easy. There's no range, you see. I've got no range with this side controller without the booster. $106 maybe. Stop. Right, 107. Right, drag. Right. Ready. 3, 2, 1. That's a better one there.
That was a good one, Jamie, definitely. That is something else, Jamie, as well, mate. That drag mode, I can't believe
good, isn't it?
There, mate. That is class.
Read. No, 2110. So it's not even as fast as I have been before, so that'll do. Yeah. So you see she's on there. Start. Right. There we go. It's quicker that time.
I thought you were coming straight towards me there.
Well, here it's all about commitment, mate. It's all about having the confidence to turn the thing whenever you need to.
Holy
Sparks are pretty spectacular.
water,
Titanium. Oh, it's gonna be a fantastic shot there. Like, let's see. The speed of it coming through there. What do you think?
That would have been 150 or all.
I don't know. 140 anyway, mid 140s. So stop. Read 140. Yeah.
That is crazy.
I'm most stressed and like.
Oh,
She sounds nice the more she's getting elevated, isn't she? Like.
oh, big time.
I'm content with that. 140 is good enough for me there today. Thank you, mate. Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you very much.
That was a better run that time. It was straighter. Now,
But she took off herself there now.
there was interference with something like, so there was, but when she was coming down, she was gravitating this way, and I just keep finger in it, keep your finger in it. And I just started turning her back slowly because you just can't go like that. That was me full. Now, as I say, I bring it in. Once she's in, I'll just hold her there. Now it takes you a lot. That's what I mean. You need a long road to get her up to her full speed. So we're not. I don't think we're long enough for roadways. Like.
Yeah, no, we'll get that sorted for you. What about the sparks were all about there?
That's titanium nuts on the front. Aye. Wasn't too bad, a bit bumpy. Only had this one geared for 100 and, well, 100. So I was pleased to see that. They didn't have a range booster on it, so it wasn't very good. This one here, that's the Onyx batteries I put in for the last run, but it was only going easy just due to the gap. So everything's performed well. Aaron's going to have a wee look at the tyres for me, or not the tyres, sorry, the tyres and the surface. So I'm quite pleased that they're willing to work with me. So we're back. Happy days. Brilliant.